Good day, crypto fans. Welcome to the channel. So if you want to buy crypto with USD, Euro, or Great British Pound, I'm going to show you how to set up a fiat wallet on crypto.com. So step number one, you need to open crypto.com app and download the crypto.com app from the corresponding store, wherever you're using, Android or iOS, or sign in if you already have an account. Tap Accounts at the bottom of the home screen. Then select Fiat Wallet from the menu. If you're new, complete KYC verification with your ID and selfie to unlock wallet features. After that, guys, step number two. You can set up your currency now. In the Fiat Wallet section, tap Set Up New Currency. You can choose USD, Euro, or British Pound, depending on your region. Enter your full name, bank account details, and address as shown on your bank statement. For Euro, you can follow SEPA instructions. For USD, use ACH details. Hit Submit to create your wallet. After that, once approved, your Fiat wallet shows bank details like IBAN or ACH routing number. You can link your bank account by depositing a small amount like $10 from your bank using those details. Transfers take 1 to 3 days for ACH or SEPA. Once funds arrive, you're ready to buy crypto instantly from your Fiat wallet. And that's it, guys. Now your crypto.com Fiat wallet is set to trade. If you have any other additional tips, you can feel free to share them with other people as well in the comment section below. Thanks for watching. See you soon.